In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view product reviews on Squarespace. This is a very quick process, and once you know where to look, it becomes easy to check feedback left on your products whenever you need to. Reviewing product feedback can help you stay updated on what customers are saying, spot trends, and keep an eye on the overall shopping experience in your store. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to manage. Once you're inside your site dashboard, look over to the main navigation area and click on Products and Services. This is where Squarespace groups together the key tools related to what you sell, so it's the right place to begin when you want to manage store-related features. After that, go to Selling Tools. In this section, you'll find features that support your online store, including options related to sales, customer interaction, and product-related settings. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before moving on, especially if you manage more than one part of your site. Next, select Product Reviews. This will open the section where Squarespace displays reviews connected to your products. If your store has received any customer reviews, this is where they will appear. You can browse through them here and review what customers have shared about their experience with specific items. If you don't see any reviews listed, that usually just means there aren't any product reviews available yet. So if your screen looks empty, there's no problem. It simply means no reviews have been submitted at this time. If reviews do exist, you'll be able to view them directly in this area. This is a helpful section to check regularly, especially if you want to stay aware of customer sentiment and keep track of how your products are being received. Even though the steps are simple, knowing exactly where this feature is located can save you time when managing your store. And there you go. That's all it takes to view product reviews on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.